Hey, welcome everybody to the first ever Dad's Cooking. I am Tila. That is PJ Byrne.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with one of my great buddies. He's a dad. I'm a dad. His name is Tila. He's a legit famous chef. I don't really know how to cook well, but we're all home. We're all trying to make meals for everybody.
How do we know each other? We are both dads. Our kids go to school together, right?
Yes. Yes.
And we cooked this thing up because we're losing our minds during this quarantine situation. And what do you got?
What do we do, though, when we lose our minds? We have to start drinking, buddy.
It's cocktail time.
It's cocktail.
Right. Talk us through your cocktail.
Get some, some beautiful rocks so that it, the ice melts down slow.
Right.
And then you got to get the most phallic bottle.
Whoa. What is it? What is it? Tell us what it is.
This is a Willet bourbon.
What?
Some of my favorite. Yes. Yeah. I did it. I got this for you. When I think of you, I think of this bottle. So they're very similar.
That's
Listen
awesome.
to that sound. Oh, but actually Corona, you can just go straight in.
Do it, bro. Do it. Chug, 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 chug.
Woo! America.
That's sexy. That's what
Daddy, it's game time.
Here we go. Hey, Ali Tila, what's going on?
Ali, I love you. Hi, Ali.
Dads need drinks. Dragon fruit daiquiri.
Ooh, dragon fruit daiquiri from our friend is doing cocktail kits. Her name is Kale M on Instagram. Pour it, mommy. Oh,
that's nice. Salute, my friend. Cheers.
Salute, my friend, to Dad's Cooking, to the first ever Dad's Cooking.
I love you. Here we go.
I love you, baby. Oh, this is good.
Oh, this is game time.
Dragon fruit cocktail.
I'm gonna forget my name by the end of this if I finish this. I don't want to know my name.
All right, let's do this.
I'm starving, Jet. Feed
Okay,
me. Let's go.
All right, so for the first Dad's Cooking, we're gonna do a dish called Pad See Ew. Now, it's a noodle dish.
Never heard of it.
Have you never eaten this? Be honest, PJ.
That's
You eat a lot. You eat a lot of Thai food. You are a Thai food expert. Have you had this dish before?
I have. It's one of my favorites. It's my kids' favorites. It's a fam favorite, but I don't know how to make it. I usually go out to get it. So Dad, take me home.
So let's get going. PJ, I want you to start your pan. Let's get that thing hot. We're both just using skillets. And we're going to go full flame. What do you got?
Is this called a skillet?
Yeah.
I'm already doing great.
I
got a skillet, dude.
Do you want to be a chef and have a towel nearby just in case?
Oh yeah. But I wanted to have a towel. This means I have no idea what to do with it. And then you gotta get one, right? Like a baseball player, you cover your junk. You gotta cover the junk. I don't know why this is here. Is this a just in case an oil flame? You get an extra.
Just remember, dry towel near your penis keep you safe. Dry towel. Yeah, dry towel.
I called it dingle dangle on camera. I called it dingle dangle.
Oh, that's perfect.
What I learned when I was 2. My dingle dangle, Byrne.
All right,
that's my last name, Byrne. Yeah.
So these are called fresh rice noodles. We've already pulled them apart. There you go. Perfect, man. Pull one of those blocks out, and you're going to unravel. That's one giant noodle sheet that's made of rice that you're going to pull apart. Show them how to do it like an expert, bro. Look at you.
I love when you pull my noodle apart. That's dirty. That's a little dirty. I mean, there's a lot of penis stuff here with the bottle, pulling my noodle, my dingle dangle.
That's why it's called Dad's Cooking.
Show. It's a
Dad's Cooking show.
This is overtime.
PJ's pulling basically the rice noodles apart. They come in the Asian deli section, friends. And a way to test if they're fresh while you're pulling noodle is take the package and you want to fold them in half. If they're flexible and they don't break apart, that's it right there. So
I love it.
That's super fresh. And by the way, did you get the shrimp? Did you get the shrimp I dropped off as well?
I like that you're trying to cook for me. I'm allergic to shrimp, buddy. Allergic. You wanted to kill me. Cooking with dads and killing a dad. I work in TV and movies. You need conflict right off the bat. You tried to kill me. This is it's a murder mystery.
That's
so,
perfect.
buddy,
all right, lower
your heat. I didn't even tell you about this. I got chicken instead. I got chicken.
Oh, good. Okay, cool. Okay, so I take a little oil, right? This is a really good chef tip. So you have oil?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to put oil in the pan anyway, and in order to, not have the chicken seize up or stick to the pan, take a little oil and put it in your protein. I'm using shrimp, by the way. So
can I just use a pour in?
100%. Pour about 1 or 2 tablespoons in there. And you've pre-marinated, you pre-lubricated your chicken. So we're good to go. Don't let that pan get too hot.
Dirty as well. You're very dirty. What's that, buddy?
It's cooking. Don't let that pan get too hot.
Everything is very sexual. I've clearly been caught in the house too long. I got a
feel
phallic bottle. I'm opening up my noodles, and I'm lubricating my chicken. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm sober.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. I love you. Let's take our shirts off in a minute and just see what happens.
Yeah, I think we'll lose the audience, man. That's why I'm wearing black.
For sure.
Fans, first question. Who's older? Is PJ older or am
Who's
I
older?
older?
PJ or Jet?
Who's older? PJ or Jet? Put your comments below. We want to know. So we'll get back to that. All right, here's your garlic chopped. I think we need to get going. These pans are getting hot.
Yeah.
They come together really fast.
I got chicken jizz all over my hands. I had to get off. Oh, I'm using the napkin.
I like
using
that.
the napkin. Look at
now
that.
you know what we're using it for.
I understand. I'm a chef, dude. Don't worry about it. Anyway,
your pan. I'm scared that your pan might get too hot. Yeah, please do. Okay.
Oh man.
You good?
Yeah.
Here we go.
So good.
All right. All of our mise en place is set. That's just a French word for all your prep. We're gonna put a little oil.
Obnoxious. That's a little obnoxious for us. Let's slow that down. My mise en place.
You know, you sound
okay.
Good,
Here we go.
There we go. Okay. One can't drink without the other. So. All right, here we
go.
By
the way, I think you're like cheating a little bit with your little spray oil while I'm being pro. Who's
no.
the pro chef? Come on.
I think what's fun about our show is you show one way, I'll show the other. You're chicken, I'm shrimp.
There's no
oil,
rules.
I'm pan. There's no rules, bro.
No rules with friendship.
Let's get into the rules.
Dad way.
I want you to put about 2 tablespoons of oil. What you're looking for is when you swirl that oil around, it should cover every surface of the pan. One cool reason why I'm using the spray, because I can get better coverage really fast. So you're looking good, baby.
Your spray. Relax, Jet. We're all about the spray.
Crank up that heat now. We want to see.
Now to what, like a high?
What I'm looking for is high, so the oil starts to just kind of crackle and smoke.
I'm pretty sure I just put chicken jizz in my mouth. Like the chicken jizz that I like wiped is on my face.
Yo, you're supposed to use the crotch towel.
You don't want to smoke.
Crotch towel to wipe your face.
Yes. Anything from your balls
hand.
to your mouth is safe. But chicken jizz shoulder, don't go near it.
One has salmonella and one doesn't. Okay, here we go.
Listen,
go. Yeah, right. Order of operations. We're gonna go garlic first. I think you cut 20 cloves. I'm using about 2 to 3.
Dude, you sent me a thing saying cut all the cloves, and like I never liked you.
I forgot to assume that you didn't cook. You're a famed actor. Use a third of that. Use a third of that. Let's get that in.
A third of that?
That's good. About a tablespoon or 2 is perfect. Throw that in. Get ready for the sizzle though. So we might have to work a little faster now.
I'm so ready for your sizzle, dude.
Yeah, show me your sizzle, baby. Put your chicken in immediately because you're using chicken.
How much chicken,
use half. I want to use about a half or a third of that chicken. It's a lot of chicken you got there.
You're a lot of chicken.
Are you hearing a sizzle?
Oh, like hardcore.
Okay, good. So keep that moving. Your goal as a wok cook now is never let the food stick. So in this moment when the chicken's in, just keep moving the food around.
Yeah.
Can you do one of these?
Well, hit me.
You can do the toss.
You're fucking. That's a baller move, dude. Hold on.
No.
I'm so freaked out by this move. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah. Get it.
You're my Jeff. I love my Jeff.
You're the man, bro. You're the man.
How's that flame? It should be a little higher.
I want it pretty high. I want that chicken to be searing. You want to hear an audible constantly. That's what you want to be doing all the time.
You want to keep everything moving though. That's really the key to Thai cooking.
All right, are you sizzling? I can't tell the color.
Yeah, it's sizzling. I can still tell that it's a little like
still rare?
Like with rare inside though.
Okay, yeah. So let's get it to about medium inside. And and then because what I did was I had shrimp. So what I did was I pulled the shrimp out because your protein takes longer to cook than mine. So when you're seared all the way on the outside, then I'll meet you. So I want to know what's going on right now. So you're a big movie star. Is there anything you can talk about that's coming up, or is it all secret right now?
It is secret. I just booked something that's like magical that I want to tell the world, but I can't. You know what I can say?
What can you say?
I'll be in The Boys season 2. I can tell you that.
Oh, get out of here!
Yeah, that's cool, and it's great. Yes, and it was so. It's crazy that I really know I've been doing this for a long time because usually with any job now, I'll walk on set and I'll know like 2 or 3 people.
Right.
But that I knew like 4 of the actors. Just to walk on set and know everybody is kind of a magical experience. And then you know everybody in costumes and on the set or cameramen. So it's kind of a magical thing now.
Amazon, it's kind of like that real life big
hardcore,
the reverse side, the dark side of superheroes. Yeah. And I love that show. Yeah, that is awesome. Okay, more protein. Let's go to eggs. I want you to move the meat off to one side, so you leave a section of the pan uncovered, so the egg has nothing but metal to hit. Yes, look at that.
I definitely got a shell in there. I definitely got a shell.
We're so far away, we can't even tell. So I'm not even worried about it.
Just goes right to my chicken jizz, my salmonella egg salmonella. Okay.
All right.
Another one or no?
Can you crack those yolks? I want you to actually crack those yolks so you have, both eggs, please.
Oh, yeah.
Eggs.
Oh, both
we're gonna cook this egg about medium. We want this egg about half set, so when the noodles go in, they're not totally raw, but they're not totally cooked. Oh, it looks good. Okay, crank your heat back to full blast. We want to go.
Oh, you're a full blast heat. What are you doing over there? All right.
Here. So this is what I'm doing. This is what's going on here. I've
You're
got the
so
eggs
good.
in there.
You're so handsome.
I've got the
You're so handsome. So proud of you.
TJ, look at the noodles.
Yeah.
I want the noodles to go right into the eggs before you mess with the eggs and start pushing them around.
Bro, that was so baller.
You like that? I want to do that.
Yeah.
Good. And
over the chicken is everything?
Over the eggs. Check it out. And then I want you to smash the noodles into those eggs.
Okay.
And we're going back to full blast heat.
Oh shit! Look at that, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Looking good, brother.
Do I need more noodle? Can I put some more noodle in? I mean,
you can. You never want to overwhelm the pan more than like 75%, or you're going to start losing temperature. So a little more noodles.
I'm breaking every rule. I'm breaking your rule.
And how about another tablespoon or two of oil while you're at it too?
Yes.
You want to sear those noodles really, really well here. All right, as you're doing that, I'm going to tell our friends that are watching about Chinese broccoli. Yeah. So you can use broccoli florets. We're using the traditional Chinese broccoli. We've taken those large Chinese broccoli and we've cut them into 2-inch pieces, and we've pre-steamed them by putting them in a microwave in a little bowl with just a tablespoon or two of water, and that helps kind of poach your greens, and that's how you get these awesome pre-poached greens without setting up a whole nother burner and having to cook it. Yeah, you like that?
You did that. You covered it and you put it in for 3 minutes. I know that because I just did it.
You look good. Okay? You're looking good, baby.
I got your back, dude. I'm covering you. I'm a chef now. Don't worry about it.
You're killing it. How do you feel?
Fine.
Nothing is sticking. All right, now let's.
I feel so strong. The eggs are sticking for sure.
Okay, scrape them. Don't really muscle them down. You really want to be aggressive now, so nothing burns. If nothing sticks, nothing burns. You're looking good, PJ. You're looking good.
That's my last name, though, dude. So I think I'm all right.
PJ, are you ready to season?
Yeah, dude. Let's go.
Okay, here we go. All right, family. We have 3 sauces here. The number 1 sauce in Thai cooking is going to be fish sauce. Yeah, that's 3 crabs.
Super chefy, dude. Super chefy. Hit me. What am I doing?
Don't go crazy. About 1 tablespoon. Okay, so literally like 1 tablespoon, just like that.
Yep.
We have a lot going on here. This is going to be our salt.
Oh, so much happening, chef.
And next, oyster sauce. 1 to 2 tablespoons.
These are like
of that.
1 to 2 tablespoons is going to be like, I don't know.
Yeah, you know.
This one's got a little smell to it, huh?
Yeah, the other one's got funk to it. And then the last sauce, friends, is going to be what's called sweet soy sauce. This is about 60% molasses to about 30-40% soy sauce.
I wish this was a beer bottle, dude. I'm gonna drink the shit out of this.
Isn't that beautiful?
This is amazing. It's beautiful. These bottles are
the stickiness. So
how much,
about
Daddy?
2 tablespoons. So this one's about 2 tablespoons. This one is sweet. The other ones were salty. Now you're gonna stir this really, really well now. This is so pad CU, PJ. CU, the CU part basically.
I see you right there, dude.
Soy sauce. Right, okay. And so pad means stir fry. So it's a stir soy sauce noodle stir fry. Here, scallions.
Dude, this is gorgeous.
That look good.
Scallion? You mean the broccoli thing?
Yeah, broccoli goes in now, and then the scallions go in.
How much of that?
I just want you to use a small handful, like about a half a cup. Like yes, perfect. I love that. So every bite has about one or 2 stalks in it. Grab a fork and start tasting, and we're gonna taste our way through this and adjust it. So.
Oh, this early? We're going this early?
Yeah. All you're doing now is coating those noodles and making sure they're cooked through. See how dark that is? Yes. So maybe a little more sweet soy, that thick bottle, the blue label. I want you to do another tablespoon or two of that. Yes. And then get that stirred up really, really well. That's where the color and sweetness comes from right there.
Yeah, that's like, it felt a little light.
Yeah, I think so too. So we're going to fix that right now.
All right, here we go. Should I taste a noodle or a chicken? You tell me.
I want you to taste the noodle because it's going to be hot as shit. So okay. Just here, take a little noodle and then over here.
Oh shit, it's on the floor. Oh yeah, that's dope, dude.
No, honestly, is it good? What do you miss?
No, it's fucking amazing. I just cursed. It's so good. It's wonderful. It's wonderful.
So just a tip out there, if you are cooking along with us, if you needed more salt, you would go with fish sauce. If you needed more sweet, you would go with sweet soy. If you needed more savor, you would go with oyster. So that's how these flavors work together, by the way. So
am I lowering my heat or keeping high heat?
Let's lower it now, as long as you're close. And then we're going to each hit it with a nice hit of pepper.
Oh, shit.
Little pepper, if you have it. If not,
I got it,
we'll
dude.
pretend that you have it.
I thought no salt, though. I mean, I'm Sicilian. Are Sicilian sea salted?
Yeah, see, now here we go again, Italian guy. The learning point is Italians use salt to make salt. Asians use fish sauce and soy sauce to make salt. So there's the tip. There's the tip. So
I love you.
I love it. Here, cheers. I'm getting red. Here, check it out. Look how red I'm getting.
No, I know. You're getting like 6% sexier with every sip. It's amazing.
All right, let's plate out.
Am I doing pepper?
Yeah, I put a touch of pepper, just a touch of pepper, and I'm going to stir it around a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm going to the plate.
Dude,
You made pad see ew.
Don't worry about it. Dude, I'm a chef now.
You are a chef now.
I've never been prouder of myself than this moment.
This is what we're looking for. Right there.
Wait, look at the Madge. Bam.
Yeah.
Plate it, attack it.
And look at you opening the camera like a true professional.
Oh, come on.
Proud
this
of
is
you.
our time. This is our time.
Proud of you. Here it is, family. Look at that. That looks gorgeous.
I love it.
Just made pad see ew, man. Here we go. Here we go.
Wow. Oh my god. This is like legit. Legit.
That is amazing. Hey, PJ, you
but
crushed it,
if
bro.
anything, I get these dope bottles, dude. I'm gonna drink this one night, waste it, and think it's beer and have a different experience.
So, guys, if you kind of liked our first episode of Dad's Cooking, drop us a note. Tell us what you want to see us cook. I think we should maybe down the line have PJ send me a recipe. He's gonna teach me how to cook one of his dishes.
Buddy, I love you, Dad. I miss you so much. I can't wait to hold you soon. And when this is all over, we have to go attack the world. I feel like I'm missing out on so much. I haven't done anything with my life. I want to like go kill a boar with you or something.
There it is. That's the next part. Once COVID is over, I'm taking PJ on the road. We're going to kill our own food, cook it, and let's do it.
A joke.
I'm Tila. That is PJ Byrne, and we'll see you guys later on the next episode of Dad's Cooking.
Cheers.